Okay, in this video I'll show you how to remove the rear piece, and this is what has the third brake light and the rear sun visor shade thing. So we have the glass out, so it's gonna be a little easier for us to make the video. So it's gonna be more work for you, obviously. We already have the headrests out. I have a video on those, you can check it out. It's pretty easy to remove those. There's gonna be another panel right here. That's the panel, so you gotta remove that panel. And this is gonna be your subwoofer assembly. And for this, underneath you would have, once you remove the carpet cover, you're gonna have about, I think it was like 3 10mm screws. So you would have one right there, one right here, one in here. Okay, so once you remove those, so on this, the trick is you lift it up slightly and pull it towards the front of the vehicle. So these are the ones you have to pull forward from the, you have to pull forward to pull these out of the rear piece. There's 2 of them. And this is your assembly. So there's going to be 4 total. You're going to have 2 10mm nuts on the sides, and then you're going to have 2 10mm screws or bolts in the middle. And this is your motor, and this is your sunshade, or whatever you want to call it, assembly. And your third brake light is going to be located right there.